Think about this. You promise your friend to meet at 5 pm. No texting on my way, no live location. But you just showed up. Today, 5 texts and still someone is late. Well, welcome to Frog Psychology. In today's episode, we will be discussing what gratification and its types are. Gratification refers to a source of pleasure obtained by the satisfaction of a desire. Gratification is of two types, delayed and instant. Delayed gratification is the ability to resist the temptation of a short-term reward for a more valuable and long-lasting achievement later. Whereas instant gratification is the desire to achieve a short-term reward without any delay. We live in a world that delivers everything almost instantly. E-commerce apps like Amazon and Flipkart deliver within 2 days, and quick commerce apps like Zepto and Blinkit deliver within minutes. Travel apps like Rapido and Uber provide instant cab services with real-time tracking. OTTs like Netflix and Z5 provide an entire season at once. No more waiting for a week for the next episode. It is amazing. It saves time. But it has rewired us to expect everything in speed, but struggle when we have to wait. Back then, patience wasn't a skill, it was a way of life. You saved money for months to buy something and the joy was unmatched. You waited every single week for your TV show to come on air, and that made it memorable. Athletes trained for years just for a single moment. Letters took days, which made words carry weight. Delayed gratification teaches you how to prepare, to value, and grow along the way. It makes the reward sweeter because you earned it. Instant gratification gives speed and comfort, but makes life restless and impatient. Delayed gratification takes time and discipline, but gives pride and meaning. One makes life easier, the other makes life an experience. The challenge today is knowing when to choose which.
Snack time. Here's the choice. A packet of chips right now or 2 packets of chips in 15 minutes gap. But you have to sit here idle for the 15 minutes. It's totally up to you.
Since Anna waited for 15 minutes for her reward, she is patient and relied on delayed gratification.
Pause. End of episode. Do you press next episode or stop here? Your call.
I'll continue.
Now press the button. Since Anna decided to see the next episode without any delay, that means she preferred instant gratification over delayed, and she was impatient for the next episode.
You know, I have experienced delayed and instant gratification on YouTube itself. On my old YouTube channel, I used to create videos in which I used to get views in thousands. But I felt that the content I uploaded was poor and unsustainable. But today, at Leapfrog, I upload much lesser content with much lesser views. But I think that the videos I upload make much more sense to life. And trust me, this feels way richer than chasing quick numbers.
Ordering groceries instantly, watching the entire show in a week's time are convenient. But for the dreams that matter, the degree you want, the skills you want to learn in life, some things are worth the wait.